Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage product pricing in Monday.com. This is your complete guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, you'll want to log into your Monday.com dashboard. This is your command center where you'll be able to oversee all your projects, including product pricing. Now, the reason we start here is because it gives us a clear overview of all our ongoing tasks and helps us stay organized. Next up, you're going to need to create a new board. To do this, simply click on the New button at the top of the screen and select Board. This new board will be where you manage all your product pricing. The reason we do this is because having a dedicated board for pricing allows you to keep all related information in one place, making it easier to track. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your products. Click on Add Item and input your product names one by one. This is the stage where you list all the items you want to price. Let me explain why this matters. By listing each product, you can easily assign a price to each one, making it easier to manage your product pricing in an organized manner. Moving on, it's time to add a numbers column. This column will be for your product prices. Click on the Add Column button and choose Numbers. This helps us because it gives us a dedicated place to input and manage our product prices. Now, for the final step, update your product prices. Click on each cell in the Numbers column and input the price for each product. The reason this is important? It allows you to have all your product prices in one place, making it easier to manage and update them as needed. And there you have it. You now know how to manage product pricing in Monday.com. This is a crucial skill for maintaining an organized, transparent, and efficient pricing strategy. Remember, the key here is consistency and regular updates. So, keep your pricing board up to date and you'll be well on your way to mastering product pricing management. Thank you for joining us today.